Video. Today now once again we discuss on the topic ABO blood group in human being. This is very important topic, very interesting topic. How can blood group are determined in human population? How can inheritance are take place? It is the example of codominance. It is the example of multiple alleles. There are the three different topic within one topic, single topic. So on the basis of this, you can observe, you can think what is the importance of this topic. So now we discuss the ABO blood group. First of all, ABO blood group. ABO blood group in human. You know that in the case of human being, ABO blood group are found. How can the blood group are determined? You know that for the determination of ABO blood group, there are three different type of genes are found. That is IA, IB, and I. So these are the three genes which are responsible for the determination of the human blood group. And you know that if there is more than two alternate form of the allele are responsible for the determination of any character in a population, this is called the multiple alleles. So it is the example of multiple alleles, and it is the example of codominance. This topic we discuss later. First we discuss about the blood group in human being. So these are the three different type of the genes, alleles are A, I, B, and IB. IA genes are responsible for the production of a glycoprotein A, which are found on the surface of RBC. If there is the IB genes in a human, that is responsible for the production of glycoprotein B, that also present on the membrane of RBC. If there is I genes, then there is no any type of glycoprotein formation. IA is a dominant over I. IB is dominant over I. And if both IA and IB are found, then both the glycoprotein A as well as glycoprotein B are formed, and this is the example of codominance. And on the basis of this, there are three allelic forms, IA, IB, and I, in which IA and IB are dominant because it is responsible for the production of a special type of the glycoprotein, either A, either B. On the basis of presence or absence, or on the basis of both glycoproteins, there are four types of blood group in human being. If a person possesses IA genes, then the blood group is A. If a person carry IB genes, the blood group is the B. And if the person possesses IA and IB both, then the blood group is AB. If there is only I, then the blood group is O. And on the basis of this three allelic far, there are possible 6 different type of the genotype. This is for I. The genotype will be IA, and IA. For this IB, IB, and for this IB, and for this I and I. So when we observe, then we found that these 3 different allelic forms can form the 6 different type of the gene or genotype or 6 type, and on the basis of these 6 genotypes, the blood group are of 4 types. So all human beings can be take one of these genotype from their parent, because the transmission or the inheritance of these genes can follow Mendel's law of inheritance, and on the basis of presence or absence of the glycoprotein, the blood group are of 4 types. For example, if a man possesses IA and IA genes, then the blood group is A. If a man possesses IB, the blood group is the B. If man possesses one dominance and one recessive genes like IA and I, then blood group is also A. Here IB and I0, the blood group is also B. If a man carries IA and IB, then the blood group is AB. This is the example of codominance. In codominance, both the character of parent are appear in their offspring in alternate manner. Once again, very important. Both the character of parent appear in their offspring in alternate manner. Means character of mother as well as the character of father. These 2 different characters that carry by specific genes are transferred in offspring. So this is the example of codominance. When we study the blood group AB, then found in AB blood group both the glycoprotein A and glycoprotein B, both are present. So this is the example of codominance. Another question is arise in a human being. The usual genes was IA and IB, but due to the mutation, another genes are appear in the community. But at one time, any 2 of the genes, 2 of the allele of these 3 can present in a individuals or on the homologous chromosome. So such type of the phenomena in which more than 2 alternate form of the genes are present in a population, but they are transferred or they are inherited only 2 of them in individual, this phenomena is called the multiple alleles. If there is the allelic form with the more than two, like I, A, I, B, and I, but the transmission of these three allelic form only two are take place. Either IA with IA with IB or IB with I carried out such type of this phenomena is called the multiple allelism. So, in reference to blood group, it is the best example of codominance as well as it is the best example of multiple allelism. Last question is arise, how can transmission of blood group are take place? If we know the blood group of the two person, then on the basis of these genotype, we can easily identify which blood group is possible or which blood group is not possible. It can be explained or understood to taking one example. Suppose that if a male having a blood group married with a female having AB blood group, then what is the inheritance of blood group in their offspring? It can be very easily identified on the basis of gene pattern. First of all, we can identify what is the possible genotype for the male as well as for the female. In reference to the male, we know that for the blood group A, there are two genotypes possible. First is the IA, and second is the IAI. But for the female, there are AB, there are only one genotype IA and IB. We can calculate or we can obtain on the basis of Mendel's law of inheritance the transmission of these genes. In first case first, when these genes are mixed with these genes or the inheritance are taken between these two things, that is IA into IA and IB. We make a chart like this: IA, IB. This is the gamete of female and this is the gamete of the male, which carry the any one gene of them. So here IA, IB. That the possible blood group. This is the blood group A and blood group AB. But there is chance that these genotypes can be taken at the time of fertilization. The transmission of these genes are carried out in the offspring. So, in case number 2, means IB into I0. We also make a chart IA, IB, small I0, IA, IA, IB, IAI, IBI. The possible blood group will be A, B, and A. So, on the basis of these, we can easily identify which blood group is possible if we know the blood group of male as well as the female.